Well, go on, my peeps, viewers and subscribers. It's your guy, One Love Africa. And right now we're in my place, Kilimani, in Nairobi City. So, right now I'm at a place called, let me look at the name first. It's a food franchise place right here in Kilimani. Now, what's that place name again? What's that place name? This place? Kukito. Oh, so we have Kukito. We sell all type of fried chicken and grilled chicken and baked chicken and whatever chicken. So it's the first time for us buying Kukito chicken here, because we always buy KFC or Chicken Inn or try Elite chicken. So right now we're gonna try Kukito and see what it's all about. So my viewers, I haven't tapped in a while now, but I'm here, been doing a lot. So I just want to show you guys this environment on the main road. So for those who is in Kenya or in Nairobi and never been to this location, it's actually a nice little location. You can chill and eat. You can have your lunch, you can have your dinner, whatever you want to call it, breakfast. Depends on the time of the day. So look around, it's nothing that fancy, but it's just a nice little area. You can sit down, eat your chicken, your chips, drink your juice, and there are other stuff on the menu. So you don't have to be worried. Right on the main road, right at the gas station. I will show you guys around. Yeah. So you see the place is nice. Nice place. Siki, big up the security guy. Yeah, good guy. Yeah. See it? Nice, good trees and stuff. Cool, vibrant location. As you can see. Yeah man, as I said, it's nothing fancy, but it's a nice place. Yeah man, I can see myself having something like this. When I open up my kitchen, we can actually have something like this. You don't need anything big. Or they have the inside section also. You can go inside and place your order, and you can sit down inside and eat in case you don't want to be outside. But something little like this is good. I do not know the cost to own something like this here, but if you want to come and invest and start a business, and you want to open a little restaurant, maybe a burger spot, a wing spot, yo, business can run. Meaning business can take place here because the opportunity is big. And to be honest with you, when it comes to food, it's like everyone doing the same thing. So even if you come and you say that I'm going to open a wings joint, just wings, you don't have to sell anything else. You can sell barbecue wings, jerk wings, sweet and spicy wings, curry wings, spicy fry wings, lemon pepper wings, Hennessy wings, whiskey wings, smoke wings, just call it buffalo wings, ranch wings. Just think about it. You can just have a wings joint. You create your own wings menu and you can't go wrong. So when you hire your staff, it's not hard for them to season the wings properly, and it's not hard for them to cook it and send it out. How can you go wrong with that? It's not like you have a big menu that require maybe 10, 15, 20 different recipe. It's just wings. So it's easy to manage, cost effect, easy to control, and very good when it comes out to sales. So you can count your wings, okay, 6 pieces to a serving, 8 pieces to a serving, a bucket deal. You can sell the wings with tortilla chips. You can sell the wings with French fry chips, potato wedges. Just think about it, all of these stuff that goes with wings if you want. You don't have to sell nothing else, no rice, nothing, just bread, wings, like biscuit and wings, fries and wings, tortilla and wings. That's it. So if I have a spot like this, we can actually have a wings joint right here and have a next wings joint somewhere else, because Nairobi do not have a wings restaurant. Believe me. So if you come and you do something like this, you'll be the first person to have a wings joint, because there are a lot of foreigners here, and you know, wings is something like, it's very versatile and people like it. It's quick, easy, nice. You can go fast. So think about it. You can even sell your coffee, your tea, your stuff right here, your own signature milkshake, your own signature drinks, smoothies, just wings. Or If you want to have burgers, you can have your burger place right here. Burgers and wrap. Or burger, pizza, wings and wrap. Same. It's up to you. You just get this environment, create a nice menu, something quick you can go with. So if someone come and they want to sit down and have something to eat, bite fast, go back to work, lunch break, to the office, on the way to work, on the way leaving from work, this can be the location for you guys. So I'm just saying the idea is there. So you can take it or leave it. I'm just saying the idea is there. It's a good looking spot. Cookito. Just like you have Pizza Inn, Chicken Inn, KFC and all these other places. But you do not have no wings place here in Nairobi. And Nairobi is the next New York. Yeah man. Nairobi is the New York of Africa. Check it out. I'm going to show you guys some more places in Nairobi. Nairobi is the New York of Africa. And today we're having a house party. You see me I say? We call it house party. Jamaican vibe. So we stay tuned. We connect with you guys and make you know what go on. Make sure you stay love, comment, like and subscribe to the channel and share it so other people can see what's going on. And yo, for my birthday, I try to get 10,000 subscribers. If I even get 6,000 subscribers, I'm very grateful. Trust me. So all of my people that's watching this video, do not just watch, subscribe and like. So please give it support as you're a guy right now in Africa, you're a Jamaican guy right here. I can show you guys more stuff. So reach in the comment section if you want to know more stuff about the place, more stuff about Kenya, Africa overall, or if you want to hear stuff about Jamaica, just let me know in the comment section. I give the people what they want and what they like and what they want to hear. That's it. Your guy, stay tuned for more because I'm going to show you guys some more things around and what the chicken is like. Yo, so we get the chicken right there. So huh? Oh yeah man. Mug and beans. So we'll get the chicken people. So right now my guy say you want to grab one bread. Bread feet. Bread feet to the chicken. So that's what I go on. So listen to the next spot near Mug and Bean. You understand?
The place smell nice, man.
Properly, right? So that's what I go on. What kind of water you get? Somebody I call my phone or walk on me now. Find me a muffin here. Muffin there look nice. Hello. My number is 0.
Muffin them look big.
Yeah man.
Like how the place smell though, it smell nice.
Nice man, yeah.
The place smell very nice.
So go on good man. Banana for the pastry.
Yeah.
Banana pastry.
Bean.
Yeah man.
Alright, so you want a juice or anything slow now?
No man. You just get the water.
You just move that, get that and move.
The water, get the water ready.
One and move. Total madam.
Big water.
Yeah.
No sir. You small water by my own big water tonight. The whole day so you buy some.
What that talk? Where you want?
Harvest me the water until we come back.
So you know water for drink now?
What? Okay, I get that, you get that.
We got to get that small one and then meat.
Yeah man, so inside the Mug and Beans. That's the name of the place and it's a very convenient spot. Right here at the corner beside the gas station, right beside the place that I bought this chicken. And the muffins them look nice, the pastry look okay. Right now I feel like I eat each one of those muffins one by one. And there's a few other stuff here. Very small convenient spot you can grab your stuff. You know. And I know it's not hard to set up something like this right here. All I need is a location. Ready to go? Yeah man, it's very nice. As you can see, very convenient. But the pastry, I talk about. The chocolate look nice. Rich chocolate cake slice. Should I buy a slice of that? Alright then. Mug and Bean. Mug and Bean is the place to be, right? So my peeps. Right now we're going back to the apartment. So I just want you to stay tuned and always give the video support. Mad thing later, mad vibes, house party. It's a house party, it's a house party. Tell your friend and your friend, it's a house party. Yeah man, kill the money where we are starting. Be a tall girl and couple shorty. What thing? Yeah, family, so I'm back at the apartment right now where we're gonna do the host party. I'll kick all the vibes by some chicken and chips. So, first time I'm going to try this chicken. It doesn't look bad, smell good, it have flavor, spice. Mm-hmm. Yo, I'm telling fried chicken, only give me grill. Oh no, you're rubbish mouse. Cause I'm literally tell these people fried chicken and they give me grilled chicken. Show you guys. This is chicken. Just will get 2 bread. Or I may say more bread. So this is chicken, people. Come in this little box. Well, the thing is, I tell them fried chicken and they give us grilled chicken. But it's okay, we're not quarreling, we're not arguing. It's a go on, Ramesh. Where think about chicken?
Nice, man.
Nice?
Yeah, man, Jamaican chicken style. Yes, good.
Grilled chicken.
Yeah, man.
Where's my taste? It is alright then. Yeah man, so. The fries, yeah man, the fries are gone. Fries are gone. So the chicken are gone. Grilled chicken is more healthy than fried chicken.
Yeah.
So like I love grilled chicken. Grilled chicken is my favorite. The jerk chicken is my favorite food. And chicken pasta is my favorite. Stew peas is my favorite. So yeah man, I love stew peas, man. The fries in there, Ramesh. Yeah man, I love pigtail and my stew peas, man. I'm turkey neck. Pigtail, turkey neck, chicken foot, salt beef. Yeah man, match that. People, like, subscribe and share. It's your guy, Ricardo. I remember, later at the host party, so I'll show you guys what's going on at the host party. Just small clip is not showing them. I'm not showing them much. Cause what happened in the host party, stay in the host party. I'm out. One love Africa. Mad.
Slogan in the kitchen now, burn up the food. We are cook curry chicken,
Curry goat.
curry goat.
Man. Drinking meat. You can point and so on and see something nice to eat.
Yeah.
Yeah. And so we do some jerk chicken, but do some baked chicken.
Baked
instead.
chicken, so the chicken inside already.
The chicken
Oh,
inside.
yeah, go on. What me see what go on. Wake up and just stake up.
You just shake up and wake up.
Wake up. Yeah man, so the food that run off fast, you try to pick up fast.
Catch back time.
Catch up back time because the rain and fall and you know what I mean.
Rain and traffic jam.
Yeah.
It wasn't easy, man. Tell you, man.
Yeah.
Crazy flooding. All car wash away.
Yeah.
Yes,
So tell the people them, so when they link up with Jam Tours and One Love Africa, this are the type of service you get, family.
Yeah, man.
You know what I mean?
That was a book it to get it.
They get book it to get it.
Yeah.
You get,
No, look,
you
don't book
you
it.
get first class chef treatment,
Yes, sir.
touring treatment, all kind of treatment.
Yeah,
you know
man.
what I mean? So
If
feel at home.
I want to see me in my chef uniform, I got my uniform from head to toe. Yeah. Right now, once I cook up some pot, you know,
Yeah.
find the vibes later, link up, you know?
Yeah.
Always link up. Yes, sir.
Slogan say a host party.
Right now, I make some jollof rice in the night.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Maybe you can cook jollof rice.
I do jollof rice.
Eh?
Giraffe! You keep like a giraffe?
Yeah, family, so the boy work fast in the kitchen because we're behind time.
Yeah, man.
Head chef.
So, I will stay tuned to the next process.
Yeah, give them the fast cutting. Fast cook, I'm going to cut off your hand, my youth.
What's up, Bushan? What's up, Bushan? You're international chef in the building.
Yeah.
If you know. Alright, I'm sorry there about you now.
Yes, yeah, that now.
You have some
Bell pepper and cut up.
Philippine hoho. We have some carrot and stuff. There's some plantain to fry.
So you're saying I start up the rice then?
The rice at least, man. So the first thing first, you know, good tough. So, make
Oh
sure
man,
you go to
Kenyan goat soft man. Even after you can eat all that right now.
soft. Alright now.
You can even fry it and eat
Tell
it.
me about the style of
That's why you have choma, you know. Choma, throw it on the grill.
Yeah, and the heat can fire itself and reach it, penetrate it.
Yeah.
This is not one vessel.
Yeah.
You understand? So, now prep the seasoning there, sir.
Yeah.
Keep it so I want everything wash,
Clean.
clean up. Scrape the carrot. Or I'm not feeling business again.
If you're ready for the summer, let's go.
Some people peel the carrot now.
Yeah? Boy, it's better when you scrape it.
You can scrape it, you peel it up. You peel it all the juice.
Yeah man, yeah, when you peel it, you peel off the whole of the thing. When you do that for a little piece, a little stick.
Scrape it.
What slogan of cutting man's people?
Man. You see the knife is sharp enough.
Yeah.
So, just like that.
Just like that. Cut up.
I think God Ramsey can't talk to me.
Where is it? Not even where that boy your name?
What that?
Where that boy your name with Salt B.
Yeah, that one.
Salt B.
I get them. Overpricing food for no reason. You can't get a famous stuff for the internet.
After internet, yeah, man.
Yeah,
Most people right now, and just internet, internet celebrity. They can't
Right now.
Internet celebrity because the internet, boost them up.
Yo, all of us start cook for
Yeah. So what will you cook for? A Jamaica, a celebrity.
Right now, which is you can't remember, we don't cook for conscience.
Conscience, yeah.
Ready.
Yeah.
You understand? We don't cook for idol.
Idol. I don't know idol that. Who's
you know idol? Hey, calm down, young man. Calm down. Don't listen to artists. My girl in a little boardhouse. I'm about next time. In a boardhouse. My girl in a little boardhouse. She's coming in a little boardhouse.
Yeah.
You understand that?
Never hear that song.
Alright, but next time you're hot, we must say,
Yeah.
roll out in the under, touch two girl. You understand that?
No, sir.
You know listen to music.
No, sir. Who else does he cook for?
No, you know listen to music.
Who else does he cook for?
Alright, we cook for, what should I remember? Marlon beans. Yeah? Cook for Marlon beans already. We know cook for Rick Ross. We know cook for the camp come down.
Stop the camp. Stop the.
No, the camp come down, you know.
Stop the camp. Stop the camp.
No.
Where's the cook for Rick Ross there?
When the man come to Jamaica, I look and say, yo, John's our chef. Wake up. Cook for the man then, you understand? If him not eat,
Yeah.
we cook for top there. Two chain.
Two chains. Blood.
No, sorry, not two chain. Future.
They cook for future dog.
Future. Right now, I look at the future.
Yo, I be a cap, the boy I cap people.
Cap what?
But I saw him say, so I believe
Now,
him.
we are going to go far as the future come there. And because the boom back the food and give.
Yeah.
Future. And they give.
Yeah. Alright, people.
All something. And I mean that kitchen, and we can do it the right way.
Yeah.
Don't give a pause, sentence, Ochi.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So people, if you remember
and
that.
there's 4 people that come there,
Yeah.
that Kufa can't remember them.
Yeah.
You understand? Like something there. You see what I mean? Something like daughter.
Who for
My
that?
boy is a comedian.
Oh, Will Smith. Will Smith has got Jamaica, you know.
No, what that? No,
Come on, man, I don't give a man. Yeah.
No for them come that dance back. And so I'm cooking enough for them.
Yeah,
shoot.
Yeah.
We cook enough for the man like craft.
Yeah.
We craft already, we cook the look at them. Charlie Blacks.
Charlie Blacks.
That's the real man them.
Yeah.
Cook the Charlie Blacks. We cook for my boy now, someone say, it's just $2,000. A juvenile will take your life away. When you give me a Rasta artist, man acting the most of the time and you know vibes.
Yeah.
Don't try to remember my talk. You go in again, man. Just $2,000. If you know song, you know me talk.
Yeah.
You understand? That the man them will cook for him too. We cook for man like, I'm trying to celebrities because a whole lot of people cook for you. You should not watch face now. Let's brush. We cook for my boy anyway. I live at Paul, Mar Valley.
Yeah.
The name again, man? We cook for QQ.
QQ.
Yeah, we cook for QQ. We cook for the next boy live at Mar Valley. We not talk Golgan.
Yeah.
No Golgan, just do vibes, through the work. Anytime I remember the name, I make you know. Enough artists to cook for that.
Alright, family. Slogan say cook for enough family. Enough artists, celebrity in Jamaica. So,
Cook for Chino.
Chino.
Chino McGregor.
Chino McGregor.
Usain Bolt.
Usain Bolt.
Usain Bolt. Asaba Point. Different two them. Usain Bolt, Asaba Point, Chino. We cook for Yendi Phillips. Yendi Phillips? But Chino be mother name.
Yendi Phillips.
Yendi Phillips, right?
Yeah.
Cook for sheep.
Yeah.
Ready. Ah, so tell me, I tell her.
Yeah.
But you can't say lie, me, I tell her. Because they know.
Yeah.
Tell me the date. I want to wear the date. I want to go check me, I want to say to me.
Yeah.
Cook for them. No for artists and bubble pass for them. That's our chef they used to call me.
Dancehall chef.
Thing, you know.
Kenny and chef.
That's our chef in the place. Enough celebrities we cook for you can think about it. I cook for some man, but they don't fly in. You understand, like Sean Kingston. If they eat, you understand, because they want the video shoot and thing, but I mean, we'll be part for them.
We'll be part,
the whole
crew, video shoot.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
So all that man is say, Ocean, like Javel Lanley.
Yeah.
I'm saying Devin the doctor. Javel Lanley. Devin the doctor, for Devin the doctor already. Devin the doctor, me cook for.
Yeah.
Chair remember who else. Never cook for donuts. Never walk up at female to see. But cook for some more people, man.
Yeah.
Me don't remember them good.
Yeah.
But the OG artists them.
All of the OG artists them. Little Hero.
Me don't remember if people bubble up at female.
Yeah.
You see, because me don't think if you buy it from me already. Come here the start, I remember enough artists come
Come,
Yeah, so I'm trying to remember who I cook for as artists.
Yeah.
Yeah, please. So all the artists we cook for them. But anyways, One Love Africa there, so. And we don't talk about who we cook for, just know somebody do the work. We have to brag about it.
Yeah. We just have show the people.
Better have your money because they can't talk to me. Better have your money.
Yeah, family, so if you watch this, you know what I mean, link up with One Love Africa. And you want a celebrity chef to cook some nice Jamaican food for you. You know what I mean? You don't want a place to stay, an Airbnb, or whatever place, we can hook you up and we can get a nice price. You know what I mean? And the price is nice. So we there, we are cook for your Jamaican brother, just forward in. He's gone on the road, so man soon forward. So
in just the 10 minutes away.
Yeah, so we there. So let's go. Yeah.
Ready?
Chicken ready?
Yeah.
We say taste and buy. Taste and eat.
Taste and eat. The taste and try. Chicken ready, can taste all piece.
Taste all piece. Cause this a Mr. Beast.
I'll pull it out the cloth, man, so you can see.
Yeah. So One Love and Jam Tours in the kitchen. Chicken.
Lick some chicken.
Lick some chicken. Give me a fork, let me taste this.
Sorry.
Taste up.
This is not delayed chicken, so you don't have to delay chicken.
When you say it will spice up.
Wrap on, man. You see if you look, man. Wing that. Alright, now, we start with the other ingredients to put on it. You want to look on the rubber by the other side. You know, soya sauce and the oyster sauce and thing.
Come on.
The mayonnaise.
Good man. Well spicy.
Well spicy, man.
Real Jamaican flavor for sure.
I think in KFC you can get something like that.
Real Jamaican flavor for two family. Yeah. So in time I put up the rice now and thing.
Go to this up.
Yeah?
Go 10 minutes and the goat can come off.
Let me show the goat look.
You put the button look.
Right, that's right there.
What?
Butter, curry goat. Simmer down, rice. I cook up right now. And after everything.
Also.
I'm gonna put everything, man, because a lot of people are come. House party.
House party, yes.
Yeah. Belly people, belly are feel full.
That's right.
Yeah.
My drink, you know. Food in the belly are else.
Yo, my boy there, I know.
Oh.
Another the sound there.
No.
Another the bell.
No, sir, that's all. The timer. See the timer, you know? So the timer, the clip, that means
Yeah.
done with that. You saw wash rice in Jamaica. Wash rice in yard, because be a nasty people, they are ready for food, you know. Careful.
That's starch in the rice and wash it out. Say white?
Dirt, yeah man. Starch and dirt. Yo, the rice go through all of the things, you know.
Yeah.
Before it can go in a bag. Multiple hands going up.
Yeah, man, yeah. Yeah, man, for real.
Sometimes rice they are ground.
Yeah.
Wash
Yeah.
rice. With the Jamaicans, whenever a Jamaican person cook, we always wash the rice.
Yeah.
Sometimes I'll 2-3 times wash the rice.
Yeah, man.
Jamaican,
Yeah, family, we're there. I'm still gonna cook up some food.
be careful of rice when I eat because there's some nasty things in the kitchen.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. There's some nasty, I tell you. There's some things in the kitchen where this man have all rice and sleep on. And take the rice, steal rice and sleep, use as a pillow. And night time and take or wash them give people to eat.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, man, be careful, man. Careful, some things that you see. Mr. Man, I saw people serving food and the meat drop.
And take
And
it
they take
up.
down, brush it off. Put it on the plate and put some sauce on top of it.
And you.
I'm flowers about it, but you might head people in.
Yeah, head chef.
You can't say nothing.
Yeah, I said no.
They say, why not kill your fat me up? They say,
We art no see, I no see. We art not.
Them say that too. I don't see.
I don't leave.
They say that too. So I tell the people, careful and naive from people who only cook food, you understand? They say, book me.
Yeah, book. One love.
Yeah,
Chef Ricardo.
you can't cook, you can't cook if you teach you how to cook.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Alright, family, we're there. And we are cook up a stamp. And I mean, continue, like, share, and comment on the video. Subscribe to Jam Tours
Tell me how
Africa.
much time you wash full rice.
Yeah.
'Cause
Comment.
Some people don't even wash rice.
Comment below and let we know what I want.
Yeah, man.
That's what we are saying.
Jamaican wash rice now.
Subscribe.
You know, everyone of them.
Subscribe and share. We out.